Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in SURAJ School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic poster writing. I have already told you about the structure of poster. First of all, when you will make any poster, then you should follow this structure. First of all, you should mention word poster, and after that you should mention slogan. After slogan, you should mention title. After just title, you should make picture. After picture, you should mention details. After details, you should mention address. Okay, after that, you should make a box. Okay, that is the structure of poster writing. To understand this structure in a better way, now I am going to write an example about poster writing. Look at the board. There is a question. Draft a poster on donate your eyes. We should follow all the rules regarding structure of poster when we will make any poster. First of all, according to the structure of poster, we should mention word poster. After that, we should write slogan. Donating eyes is the best form of charity. Okay. Donating eyes is the greatest service to mankind. After that, we should mention title. What is the title of this poster? Donate your eyes. Donate your eyes. Okay. You can make any style of box for title. Okay. This is the title, donate your eyes, and you can make any style of box to put the title into the box. Okay. After that, you should make picture. You should make picture in a proper way. After just mention of picture, we should write details. Okay. When we will write detail, we should write detail in a proper way. This is the picture for donate your eyes. You can draw any better picture which you like. Okay. After it, now after just mention of picture, you should mention details in this way. Your eyes will see this world again when you will know more. Okay. Help the blind see this world again. Overcome superstitions. Donate your eyes. After that, issued by Health Minister, New Delhi. Okay. After that, just completion of poster, you should make a box. Okay. You should try to put the address also in box. Okay. This is the poster for donate your eyes. When we will make any type of poster, then we should follow all rules of poster structure. Like first of all, we should mention word poster. Okay. After that we should mention slogan. After just slogan, we should mention title. After just title, we should mention picture. After picture, we should mention details, and after details, we should mention address. If you really want to get 3 out of 3, then you should follow the structure of poster writing in this way. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.